President Draupadi Murmu today conferred the National Florence Nightingale Awards 2024 to nurses at Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today underlined that climate change and energy transitions are global concerns and international partnership is critical for promoting the impact of green hydrogen on decarbonization. The Indian Meteorological Department has predicted heavy rainfall over Assam, Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh for the next 6 days. India's coal production from April to August 2024 was over 384 million tons, up more than 6% from 361.11 million tons in the same period last year. The government has said that more than 1 crore mobile connections have been disconnected and around 2.27 lakh mobile handsets have been blocked for involvement in cybercrime and financial fraud.